else here in, in Victory Plaza is we have Kuroba. And they will serve us tonight with such cuteness to their performance. So give them a round of applause. Once again, give a round of applause to Kuroba.
So ayan, we are Kuroba and this is our first performance here in the event. And so ayun, nagkita-tatlo muna kami ngayon because nag-conflict ko sa schedule ng dalawa po namin. So, our po next performance ay Pinoy Otaku Festival at May 2 and 3. Wala pa po yan! Wala po yan, sorry po. Nagkamali yung ulit. So, yung grupo po namin ay yung parang team po namin is all about Project Sikai, Wonderland, Wonderland Showdown is will be performing at POM. So, let's go. Wala na. Let's go.
Hindi sila uuwi. Huwag ka magana.
So, pahinga muna yung mga, ano natin, mga ano ko, mga anak ko, tsari. So, ako muna. Before ko pala ito i-perform, yung song na to, ikaklaro ko lang legal age na ako pero secret lang yung ano, yung edad. So, baka kasi makancel. So, next tayo.
Hello, sound checking.
Hello. So, yun lang. Tapos na. Pwede na kayo umuwi. Charis. Meron pa. Meron pa kaming tinatago. So, teka lang. Time first. Inom muna daw po siya. Napagod man. So, our next performance will be Sweet Magic from Wonderland Showtime feat Kagami na rin. joke lang. So, before yung last song namin, mag-i-introduce muna kami ulit. Ikaw muna, number 1. Ha, konnichiwa minsan! Watashi wa Yellow Sui desu! Ano ba yan? Nakakaano naman ulit. Ulit, isa pa, isa pa! Hi, minasan! Watashi wa Yellow Sui desu! Asan? Hi guys, so I'm Yellow Ake. Hello po! Ulit, dito. Joke lang pala yun. So, hi guys, I'm Orange Ake. Hello po! Rainbow Chan. Color Blue, Riri! So, bago yung last performance namin, may ano lang sana kami sa inyo, konting ano lang, favor. May gagawin kasi namin yung, ano nyo na siguro yung ice cream. Kaso, dalawa. So, Sui, and Lily. Okay, practice. Isa muna practice. Okay. Wait lang. Wait, ay, bakit please? Okay. Practice. Excuse me po. Wait lang. guys. Tapos, I hope sana sa... Ito tayo. Next performance namin sa POF. Sana debut na namin yun. Kompleto na kami. So, see you there sa POF. Thank you. Thank you, minasan!
Okay, again, give it up for Riri, Sui, and Ake! Okay, before anything else, Cosplay Unity Idol Fair would like to give you your birth certificate. Wow. This certificate of recognition is for Kuroba for participating on Cosplay Unity Idol Fair as guest here in Victor Plaza Monumento. Okay, let's take a picture.
Tayo lahat. Kamakidibot lang, graduate na kami.
Ayan, thank you so much. So, kailan namin ulit kayo next na makikita? Yung kompleto na or di ba, you have other members, right?
So, ipaano namin, may color green kami tsaka color red. So, hindi pa kami kompleto. So, bali sa POF doon, kompleto na kami. Kaya sana, manood na kayo.
Okay, sa POF daw, watch out for Kuroba. And also, what are your social medias, guys? Where can we follow you? So, we will know when is your next event.
You can follow us on Facebook, which is Kuroba. All caps lock yan. Kaya nyo na yan. Mahanap na rin kami.
Yes, and if you want to interact more with these idols, they have a booth there. The blue booth there on the very back of this event, okay? And is there anything else that you guys want to say?
So, ayun guys, yung performance ko namin sa POF is May 3 at Robinson Novelty. So, ayun.
Thank you so much, and again, give it up for Kuroba!